Oh my God.
Okay, now, let's do it practice or you want to do it already? Do it already.
That's a practice.
Okay. Guys, ready? Ready kayo? Now, let's do the punishment dance! Okay, next one. And ready for the next day. Energy, energy. Lower, 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 lower. Music. One more. Energy.
Go, go! Hey! Lower, 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 lower.
I want to go lower.
Lower, 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 lower.
No, no way.
Did you enjoy that dance?
Go, is that? Lower, lower, lower.
Okay, lower. Okay, guys. Thank you so much again, boys. Nagustuhan ko ba yun, everyone?
Yes!
Ang TikTok na naman kayo. Okay, that was such an exciting. Thank you so much, boys, for playing with us, the THK gang. And that was just the start because patikim pa lang yan, guys. We have more na mangyayari pa for today's event. There's
Look,
definitely more
ending fairy yan.
coming later. But first, let us all say goodbye to our boys first as they have to prepare for their next
Joke!
for you guys. Okay, we'll see you again later, don't worry.
Hey! Hey!
Grabe, no? Nag-enjoy kayo?
Yes!
Mukha naman kayo nag-enjoy.